the children, family, and friends to Betty Bayo. We want to tell the members of public that today, at 1:03 p.m., we have lost Betty Bayo. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. And she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to ADR in Kemburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, and the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral, and all the other communications and brief will come later. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fare thee well to his life. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the 11th hour. We all slept believing that it is 11th hour that God would restore.
Niodu, our very good friend and musician Betty Bayo. It's very sad.
It's very sad. We have lost her. Betty Bayo ni ahuroketio ni mwathani. It's very sad. Na ni akoretwo atekuigua wega. Ithu no tugire mwathani amuhe kehuroko getathiraga. It's very sad that we lost her.
Quite a young soul, very vibrant soul. Niturutite mawira maingi muno na Betty Bayo. Even in the beginning of my career, gwiciria twajia career around the same time. Gwiciria tutiganite na around only 2 years. She was always a very jovial person. The kind of person who was a vibe. Na ona kurwara oku gwake, most of us did not know about it.
Actually, no, itiandu ingi maramenyete ati ndakoretwo akigua wega.
She has been battling it silently. No bareraki hamurimu naguo urakira. She rested. And nituraki hoya ni undu wa family, the kids especially. You know, to bear the loss. Quite young children, and the entire family and the fraternity from all of us here at Kameme. Pole sana, our condolence.
Pole sana.
We have lost a gallant person. We will sincerely miss her.
Yes.
We pray for the repose of her soul and Gayamohuru Kyohoro.
Yahuro Kyohoro, Betty Bayo.
Very.
Hello.
Hi, Sir James. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Uko ndiko Inoro FM. Na twakuhurira thiini wa tabarira ya kuihuria. Ni tondu hena ndeto twagikiona cirathi kuria kundu gugwitwo social media.
Oliguo.
Na no wega tugikorwo hihi no theri wa uria maundu magiikarite. Karibu sana thiini wa Inoro FM tabarira ya kuihuria.
Asante sana Joy wito. Ni muthenya wa nduma.
Okay.
Kuri ithuĩ aini na kuri bũrũri mũgima.
Yes.
Tondu muini twendete muno gwitwo Betty Bayo ni atutira.
Okay.
Nĩahurũka. Mweta ndagĩka cigana ũna thiru. Ũrĩa Kenyatta Prime Care.
Kenyatta Prime Care.
Kũrĩa andũ magekaga private wing. Nĩkuo arakoretwo transfer kuma AR.
Okay.
Tondũ he services imwe AR matararĩ nacio.
Nĩguo.
Aratwarwo kũrĩa Prime Care.
Okay.
No Ngai nĩ akĩmuoya. Tũtiũĩ nĩ atĩa tũkuga.
Nĩguo. Thank you muno mundu gwitwo Sir James ndu wa kwaraniria na ithuĩ.
Enjoy.
Twakena muno.
We've got some sad breaking news now. Gospel singer Betty Bayo has been confirmed dead at the Kenyatta National Hospital while receiving treatment. May her soul rest in peace.
Watu wangu, mimi kifo cha Betty Bayo kimeniguza sana. Sana. Sijawahi lia vile nimelia kifo cha mtu ambaye si wa familia kama vile nimelia kwa sababu ya Betty Bayo. Na wengi wanauliza kwa nini Betty Bayo amekufa, nini kimesababisha kifo chake. Na pia mimi nimepata hiyo taarifa kama vile wengine wenu mmepata. lakini kwa sababu ya wale hawajajua ni nini kimeua Betty Bayo, Betty Bayo amekuwa diagnosed na leukemia. Leukemia ni blood cancer na imekuja kujulikana ikiwa the last stages, ambapo very little can be done to save the situation. Si ati kuna kitu ngumu kwa Mungu, lakini mambo yote hufanyika kwa Mungu kujua. Kifo chake kimefanya nikumbuke post 2 zake. Moja alipost October 19. Akasema watu wako na vitu mingi mzuri za kusema juu yako, lakini gojea mpaka ufe ndio watasema. Halafu date 23 October, I'm talking about last month, akasema rest in peace, gone too soon shall not be your portion this year. Nikakumbuka hizo posts, pengine we never know, alikuwa shajua kuna kitu ambacho kinafanyika katika mwili wake. We don't know why she posted that. Anyway, we don't know. You cannot ask her any question right now. But those 2 posts kuna kitu zinasema. Maybe she had felt it in spirit, or kuna information alikuwa nayo. You never know. Maybe from the doctor or anything. We can't tell. But all in all, ni kifo ambacho kinashtua sana, kwa maana ni mama ambaye ni mchanga, watoto wake ni wadogo, Sky na Bro. Yaani unafikiria hizo vitu mpaka unashindwa kufikiria. But all in all, Mungu anajua kwa nini. Rest in peace, Betty Bayo. Rest in peace, Betty Bayo. It is well. It is well.
News just in, really sad news. Gospel singer Betty Bayo is dead. Now, the information we have right now is that she died while receiving treatment at the Kenyatta National Hospital.
Leo sina good news. In fact, it is very, very bad news. Tunaarifiwa ya kwamba muini gatũ Betty Bayo ni arikia gututiga. Betty Bayo ameenda, tukiuge atia, this world is so, life is vanity, atasijui. Kwa mathayo, rest well my sister. Kwa mathayo Betty gaitu.